Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run Alpha 1 Max. Is a free binary option robot that you also can use completely for free. And this robot do use martingale. If you don't want to use martingale, not to worry. When you download you have a choice to turn this off or use the other settings if you want to do that. So if you want this robot also, you can download it by using the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Okay. Also included in the link when you download this robot is included a promo code with 50%, but you need to deposit more than $100 for this to be activated. Okay. So now let's start this robot and see how much money we can make in this session. So let me turn on the robot like that. I think we'll go for like 2-3 trades this time also. Let's see how we do. Also today I had a session for Forex and binary option. I do that in Telegram and in WhatsApp, links below the video. We made a killing today also. I did 3 Forex trades, all have already hit take profit, and I did 2 binary option trades, both did wins. So if you want to print money together with me, you can do so too, if I can speak properly. Links below the video, like I said. And I do 1 session a day, Monday to Friday, 1 hour, so you can follow every single day, specific time. It's only been like 2 times I have changed the time, but have been reason for it. So there we came with 3 trades already. Then I think I turned the robot to do just 1 trade. So we try to close this ones. Let's see. Let's open the one that looks like we are maybe going to lose. That is this one here. And let's follow the one we might lose. So let's see. There are another 2, looks like we're going to win. We just need to see in 3 seconds. And what happened now? Yeah, we won 2 trades. Now we have just this one open. So let's see how we do. So now we need to wait more 20 seconds. And now he basically will just martingale us out of the trade. When I'm done with this trade now, after I will show you all the trades, the win rate, how much profit we made, and all this good stuff also. So now let's see how this can turn out. And there we lost again, but we are in now. Now it's running in profit. So now, as long as you can keep above this green line you see here now, we will win that trade. So now we need to wait more 19 seconds to see how this turns out. Like I said, make sure you see to the end, because then I will show you the trades, the win rate, how much profit, and all this good stuff, because I know that is many want to see that, right? So it looks like we are winning now. So then we close this robot and turn off, and there we have it. We won the last trade. We will now take a look at the trades and see how much money we made. So there we have it. You can see we did 5 trades. You can see we lost the first trade, but we won 2 in a row. And we lost 1 more time, the first trade, and the third time we made the money. So as you can see, we made a profit of $183. Win rate is at 60%. That's actually quite good. So if you want to download this robot also, you can do so. Just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.